Once upon a time in a warehouse near a Mississippi ravine, there was a Theodore Roosevelt statue made of solid aquamarine. I have hollowed out quite a comfy living space inside of his head. They still don't know I'm making the noise. They think it's Teddy's spirit instead. Here we go, whoa, whoa, top layer of cheese, big horns and bees, speaking Japanese. I'm on fire, I'm on a grenade, going faster than the Christmas Day parade. Without a doubt, by far, the greatest way to travel ain't by car. A-E-I-O-U, sometimes why not? You know me, I like to disagree.